Hello dear traders and welcome back to Insta TV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. The pound sterling edged high against the US dollar in today's deals on upbeat macroeconomic fundamentals as the Office for National Statistics released another UK retail sales report. Meanwhile, the greenback continues to put pressure on its rivals on the currency market amid renewed Fed rate hike expectations. However, currency strategists stay optimistic on the British pound, projecting an upward correction for the cable.
Retail sales data from the United Kingdom came in line with expectations. Despite slower sales growth, the indicator remained relatively high. Taking into account the broadly pessimistic projections for the US fundamentals slated for release today, the pound has every chance to recoup some of its losses. So, by the end of the day, we can expect the pound to advance to 1.4135 against the dollar.
The fresh statistical figures brought some good news to the pound bulls, as UK retail sales declined at a less than expected rate last month. The headline retail sales figure printed a February drop of 0.4% on a monthly basis after a significant increase of 2.3% in January. Economists had anticipated a slide of 0.7% month-over-month. The release suggests that the consumer demand in the United Kingdom remains quite robust, as retail spending beat analyst expectations despite logging a slight fall. The slowdown in sales growth was partly driven by weaker spending on spring and summer clothing due to poor weather conditions in the UK. Based on comments made by some members of the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee, it appears that British policymakers see favourable conditions for a rate rise nearing. However, the regulator may choose to keep interest rates unchanged for now due to escalating political uncertainty stemming from a potential UK exit from the European Union. Governor of the Bank of England, Mark Carney, described Brexit as the biggest domestic risk to the nation's financial stability. In the meantime, the number of campaigners in the Brexit camp who would like to see Britain leave the EU has increased in the wake of Tuesday's terror attacks in Brussels. This was Daily Financial News on Insta TV. Thank you and goodbye.